When attaching the D-gasket to the double-sided tape position on the visor, do not stretch the gasket. Make sure the D-gasket fits the double-sided tape. When assembling and using the helmet for the first time, customers need to peel off the protective layer on both sides of the visor. When you want to install the visor to the facepiece frame, it is necessary to identify the 3 pre-positioned keyholes on the visor. Insert the keyholes on the visor into the pins on the facepiece frame from left to right and turn. Make sure the keyholes on the visor are in the correct position on the facepiece frame. When matching the facepiece frame with the headtop, place the slide of the facepiece frame into the headtop. Use both hands to pull it until the 2 levers fit together. Make sure the connection point is not deflected or opened after installation. When you want to attach the facepiece shroud to the helmet, place the Vihelm upside down. Locate the center position of the glove cover on the facepiece shroud. Use your hand to press the edge of the L-gasket on the facepiece shroud at the determined position to the brace that attaches the L-gasket on the helmet frame. Then, press the entire edge of the gasket to fit the L-gasket on the hem of the hat from the center to the sides until finished. If while installing the L-gasket on the edge, there is an excess of 1 to 5 cm due to the user accidentally stretching the gasket during the installation process. To solve this, customers should gradually pull the gasket to the 2 sides so that the gasket is evenly spread on the edge. Depending on the height and wearing style of each person, the breathing tube may be long, redundant, causing entanglement when used. Customers should open the battery pouch cover, thread the breathing tube through the cover to fit the body height and press the latch to make the breathing tube more neat.